Here's another video I thought would be helpful in emailing your class list. So you can do that through the faculty tab as an announcement. One downfall to that is they can't respond or reply to you unless you type in your email. If you need to respond to my email address and type that in. Here in Canvas, you can go into one of your sections, and there's a section that is called Contact List. And this will have a list of all of your students' emails. It does take a little time to process and bring that up, so I'm going to pause while that does that. Okay, so once that loads up, then you have your names of all the students in your class, their emails, and you can make a downloadable copy of these if you would like, but I'm just going to copy all emails. That's going to grab every email of the students in my course. Then you can go to your email system, create a new email, and if you don't want them to have access to all the other student emails at this point, you can click on the To button and paste those right into the blind carbon copy. So now all those emails are listed there in the blind carbon copy, and you can make an announcement or send an email out to your class. And this way, if they respond, they're going to respond directly to you, which is a nice feature here. So, thought that'd be helpful for you to see.